Hi, Miss Jerlyn Dangkalan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Jerlyn Dangkalan. I'm 41 years old. I'm single and I live in Simbo, Makati.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one son and he's already 22 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings, 1 boy and 2 girls.
Tell me about your educational background.
I finished vocational course here in the Philippines and also 1 year college in UK.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, sir, I have. I finished. I experienced 2 years working abroad in Kuwait, finished contract, and also 1 year in UK.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm very honest person, respectful person, disciplined, and loyal.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have in my arms, in my hand, and in my lower back.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to save money for my retirement.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
First, I give them time to release their tantrums, and then when he behave already, I will talk to him nicely and calmly.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
For my future employers, sir, if you're giving me a chance to be part of your family, I'll promise myself and I promise to you that I'll give you my good services. Thank you.